Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a creative day. In this video, you will learn how to add and remove header in Wix Studio and how you can add different headers on multiple pages. This is one of the features that a lot of people miss when using the Wix Studio for the first time. So what you can do actually is you can add multiple headers on different pages. So for example, you can have all the main page links on your home page. You can have the product categories on your store page, and you can have, let's say, blog categories on your blog page, and so on. So you can have multiple headers on different pages. So I'm about to teach you how you can do that. Let's go to an empty page right here. Now the first thing you should understand is that only the top section can be converted into a header. So if you want to convert any section into a header, it needs to be on the top of the web page. So let's go to the add element right here, go to sections, and there are some pre-made headers right here. You can select any of these. And right now it's just a section. It's not a header, all right? And if you go to the layers and right click on this section, you will have the option set as global. However, you won't be able to make this a header. And that's because, as I said, it needs to be on top of the web page. Now, if you right click and go to set as global, you can choose the header. And now this design right here is the header of the website. All right, one of the header. And if you go to the global sections, which is right here, you will see that you have all the headers of your website listed. Right? So you can add any of the headers on any of your pages. So how do we do that? In order to add the header on multiple pages, you have to go to the add to section, and it will open this pop-up where you can select all the pages where you want to use the header. So for example, let's say I want to place it on the post page and members page. Once you are done with that, hit apply. All right. Let's go here and remove the header from this one and add it on blog. All right. And as you can see, we no longer have the header here. Instead, what we're going to do is we will use the default header. So select this and hit apply. And as you can see, we now have the default header right here. Okay, so the default header will appear on every new page that you add on your website. So whenever you add a new page, the default header will appear on top. And if you want to make this the default header, you can set as default. And if you add any new page like this, you will have that header as the default header of the web page. All right. So this is how you can add the header. Now let's go ahead and add a new header. One more thing you should understand is that you can have multiple header on the same page, but I won't recommend it. There's no need for that. So let's go ahead and add one more header. Take it on top of the web page, set as global and header. All right. And as you can see, we now have two headers, the ones in the green color. And you can see that here as well. But we don't need that. There's no need for two headers on the same page. So remove from this page. And now you have this header right here. So we have this header right here. And similarly, you can add this on more pages. So select whatever you want and hit apply. All right. And that's how you can add the header on different pages. You can also do this by going to the page like this. go to your global section, and whatever header you want to add to the page, just click on add to page. And now you have the header here as well. However, make sure to remove the header from the web page. So this is how you can create multiple headers in Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.